In this video, I'll show you how to collab post on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch up your Instagram application. Now, once you're signed in, you have two ways of creating a collab post on Instagram. The first way will be to invite the collaborator whilst you're uploading the image or the post. And to do that, what you do is at the middle of the bottom navigation, you see a plus sign. You click on that. And then once you find the post that you want to post, you're going to click on next. Now from here, you're going to edit the post and you're going to click on next at the bottom. Now at the bottom, this is where you're going to invite the collaborator. You're going to go to tag people. On the tag people, you see invite collaborators. You click on invite collaborator, and here you're going to add the handle of the collaborator that you want to add to the post. The collaborator will be sent an invite, and once they approve it, they will be able to be a collaborator on the post once you post it. Now, the other method is to go to an already posted post, and from the post, what you can do is you can click on the three dots on the video. Once you click on it, you're going to come to edit, and on the edit, you're going to go to tag people. Now on the tag people here, you can go to invite collaborators and you go through the same process to invite the collaborator to your post. Once the invite has been accepted, they're going to be added as a collaborator visible on your post. Now that's how to collab post on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.